2 runs.
Yeah, Mike Hessen and the think tank putting a lot of trust in him, hence why the spotlight. And he has delivered with the ball. Now, I was talking about the middle order and the number of runs, and hence why you will be slightly under pressure. The last 5 innings from Chopra, North 3-7, North, and 52 in the Tri-Nations versus Afghanistan. Dhruv, on the other hand, 1-1-18, 1 and 15. So, yes, the pressure would be on them.
Absolutely, and they're batting against one of the top mystery spinners in world cricket. Very nicely bowled, slightly slower pace, a carom ball. That's why it gripped. You bowl quicker, it won't grip. Let's have a look. Around the wicket, straight at delivery. This was probably the off break. And then that was the quicker one. And look at the speeds there.
100 Ks. I was talking about normally the first 2 games he's bowled with the new ball. Every time he's taken the wicket, it's almost a casual walk to the team. This time, a lot of emotion coming through.
Nicely bowled. He's gaining confidence every time he comes out as a bowler. Now, so far in this DP World Asia Cup, I mean, he like said, he's got 6 wickets already. And he should be bowling regularly now for Pakistan in this format or in one-day cricket.
Full and straight, keeping the stumps, not allowing Chopra to get under the ball. Also felt like a little bit of maybe just frustration because he hasn't been scoring the runs.
Yeah, if you're an all-rounder, yeah, you can cover it up. You have the chance, you have the opportunity to cover it up. So yeah, he's not batting well. Sure, we know he's a talented batter. He'll get to it one day. Brilliant over again. Only 4 runs from it. 8 gone, 46 for 3.
Peak Creams Original Sandwich. Originals are forever.
New Lay's Wavy Yogurt and Herb. Bold flavor, done right.
With emerging teams like UAE, will that go all the way? Fielder after it, couple of runs. Yeah, with emerging teams like Oman or UAE.